So on the 5th of April I was chasing 320's on drag duties round the Ayrshire coastline in Glasgow area. So the first time I see it would be at Paisley-Gilmer Street, where it would run on 5Q07, the 1143 Rail Operations Group service to Yoker CS from Kilmarnock Boys Depot with 37884 and 320. And then we go to see the same drag at Jordan Hill, passing at 12:33. And then we go to Heinland to see the return journey, where it was now running under 5Q08, the 1409 Rail Operations Group service to Kilmarnock Boys Depot from Yoker CS with 37884 up front and 320-307. And then with mega bullish moment occurring, this is now then passing Clunning at 15:22. And then this is it now coming out of the yard at Barassi, and it was early from 1605 and came out of the yard at 15:58.